The Tesla Model 3's rear doors use falcon wing design with electronic latches and safety features. While convenient, they can sometimes get stuck due to common issues. This simplified view shows the key components: the door body, window, handle, electronic latch, child lock indicator, and emergency release lever. Common causes include child lock activation, which prevents opening from inside for safety; latch failures, particularly in extreme weather conditions where mechanisms can freeze or jam; and electronic malfunctions in the motor-driven systems. Understanding these issues and knowing how to resolve them ensures safety and convenience for you and your passengers. In this video, we'll cover how to handle the child lock, troubleshoot the latch system, and use the emergency release. The child lock mechanism on the Tesla Model 3 rear doors serves an important safety purpose. It prevents the doors from being opened from the inside, protecting children and pets during travel. The child lock slider is located on the rear door jamb, visible when the door is open. It's a small physical slider near the edge of the door frame. To disengage the child lock, simply slide the slider upward with your hand. This manual override allows the door to open normally from the inside. Be aware that the child lock can activate unintentionally, making the door appear stuck from the inside. Always check this slider first if you experience door issues. The Tesla Model 3 rear doors use an electronic latch system that combines motor-driven components with sensors for smooth and secure operation. The system includes a motor-driven striker that moves to secure the door and piezoelectric sensors that detect door position and pressure for precise operation. Latch failures can occur due to misalignment, debris buildup, natural wear, or freezing conditions that affect the sensors and motor. Tesla's rear door reliability update with firmware 2025.12 has improved latch performance, reducing reported issues by 35% in extreme conditions. To recalibrate the latch system, access service wheel alignment through the touchscreen menu. Always use official service methods to maintain warranty coverage. All Tesla Model 3 vehicles include a mechanical emergency release lever as a crucial fail-safe mechanism. This lever provides a manual way to disengage the electric latch when the vehicle's power systems fail or malfunction. The emergency release lever is located inside the door panel, near the door handle. When the door is open, you'll find it as a small lever or handle that you can pull to manually release the latch. To use the emergency release, locate the lever inside the door panel and pull it firmly. This disengages the electric latch, allowing you to manually open the door. The lever resets automatically when the door closes. Remember, the emergency release is designed as a fail-safe for power outages or malfunctions. Use it cautiously to avoid damaging the electric actuator. If the door frequently requires this override, consult Tesla service for professional diagnosis. In 2024, Tesla issued a major recall for over 1.2 million Model 3 and Model Y vehicles due to faulty rear door latches. The issue could cause doors to fail in child lock mode, potentially trapping occupants inside. This was particularly concerning for families transporting children. Tesla addressed this issue through actuator replacements and software patches. They replaced the faulty electric actuators that control the latches and issued over-the-air software updates to improve the latch system's reliability. This combination resolved 99% of reported cases without further incidents. In a 2025 case study from Canada, owners experienced frozen rear doors during a severe winter storm. The extreme cold caused the electric latch mechanisms to freeze, preventing doors from opening. This affected multiple Model 3 vehicles in regions with harsh winter conditions. Canadian owners used the mechanical emergency release lever to manually open the doors and escape. One documented example involved a Quebec family who applied Tesla's recommended silicone lubricant afterward to prevent recurrence. Tesla responded with a rapid over-the-air update, enabling thermal latch thawing, which briefly heats the mechanism to melt ice. Regular maintenance is crucial for keeping your Tesla Model 3's rear doors functioning smoothly. Lubricate the hinges annually to prevent wear and ensure smooth operation. Always consult Tesla's official manuals or service for the latest procedures and updates on door maintenance. Take advantage of Tesla's app for remote diagnostics and AI-driven maintenance alerts that can help prevent door issues before they occur. There's a growing trend of DIY fixes for Tesla Model 3 rear door issues. Popular videos, like viral TikTok tutorials, demonstrate resetting latches by accessing the door panel's fuse box under the seat. These methods can sometimes work for minor problems. However, these DIY approaches carry risks. Unauthorized modifications or repairs can void your vehicle's warranty, leaving you responsible for future issues. For complex rear door problems, it's best to consult professional service from Tesla or certified technicians. They have the expertise, diagnostic tools, and ensure your warranty remains intact. Looking ahead, Tesla is developing autonomous door calibration using onboard cameras to self-adjust latches and reduce repairs. Remember the key troubleshooting steps. First, check the child lock slider on the door jamb. Next, use the emergency release lever inside the door panel. If issues persist, seek professional help from Tesla service. Subscribe for more Tesla tips and updates on vehicle maintenance. Leave a comment with any further questions or experiences about Tesla Model 3 rear doors.